Hello, it's Tuesday, December the 21st, 2010, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from MaxiForex. The dollar was mixed against the other major currencies as concerns over the European debt crisis and tensions on the Korean peninsula dampened risk appetite. Nasdaq increased by 0.25% and the Dow weakened by 0.12%. Crude oil rose by 0.9% to close at $88.81 a barrel, and gold strengthened by 0.5% to close at $1,386.10 an ounce. No major economic data is expected today. The euro continued to decline against the dollar as concerns over the debt crisis continued to weigh on the common currency. The euro-dollar has been trading in a negative range over the past few days, and the momentum is bearish, with next support on the daily chart at 130. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 130.94 and a high of 131.83. The pound rose against the euro but fluctuated against the dollar. The Confederation of British Industry said that the Bank of England would start raising interest rates within 6 months, leading to a positive pound during the sessions. The momentum in the past week is still bearish. As long as the pair is trading below 156, a short position is preferred. The RSI indicator on the daily chart continues to support a downward trend, with next support on the 4-hour chart at 154.50. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 154.76 and a high of 155.77. Today, public sector net borrowing is expected to rise from 9.80 billion to 16.80 billion. The yen strengthened versus the dollar as thin trade in the run-up to the Christmas break heightened risk aversion and supported the yen. The interest rate remained unchanged at 0.10%. As long as the dollar yen is trading above 83.40, the momentum is positive for the US dollar. Next resistance on the 1-hour chart is at 84, with next support at 83. Overall, the dollar yen traded with a low of 83.63 and a high of 84.12. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This fell for a third day versus the dollar after Canadian wholesale prices unexpectedly fell, fueling concern that North America's recovery is ebbing. Resistance for the dollar CAD on the 4-hour chart is at 102. If the price breaks above this, the momentum will continue to be positive for the US dollar. The 10-day moving average also supports an upward trend as well. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 101.02 and a high of 102.09. Today, core CPI is expected at 0.20% versus 0.40% prior, with core retail sales expected to rise from 0.40% to 0.70%. That's it from me. Be sure to visit us at MaxiForex.ru.